Hello and welcome to Video Service Desk. Let's quickly get into the admin view of Video Service Desk. So once you log in as admin, you can see a list of agents. Now let's go to the Clients section. Here you can see the list of all the clients and their details. To add a new client, select Create Client in the top right corner. Clients are the unique B2B clients or products or services that you and your team support as agents. For example, if your company has multiple products or services, each of them could be considered as separate clients. In case of a call center, the organizations that you support could be the different clients. In this section, you need to add basic details about the client, such as client name and the email address of the contact person. You can also use the same email for multiple clients. Then on to the optional fields like contact title, contact first name, contact last name, phone number, and status, which is either active or inactive. You can add the billing address if needed. You can add the necessary form fields. The form field is what the end user of your client will be able to see in the contact form. Here you can turn on language-based call routing. Once it is turned on, the end user will be able to select the language in which he or she wants to attend the call. You can make specific form fields mandatory. This means the end user will be able to proceed with the call only if these form fields are filled. You can select Show on Call Pop-up. Once this is on, the agent will be able to see all the details submitted by the end user on Call Pop-up. After adding all the required details, click Save. The next part about the client is client locations. Client locations are the call origin locations that need separate agent skill to be answered. For example, calls originating from the landing page of your product needs sales skill and calls originating from user dashboard of the same product needs support skill. So landing page and user dashboard could be two different locations of the same product. Another example could be, if you are a company with multiple branches in different cities and each branch needs a separate set of skills to answer the calls. Take New York and New Delhi as examples. Answering New York calls need American accent as a skill. So you can create these two branches as two client locations. And assign appropriate skills to these locations. To create a location, select Create Client Location in the top right corner. Here you need to add the location name, call dialing message, the message which appears just after the end user clicks Submit after filling the form, and callback custom message, the message which appears when no agents are available to take calls, for this location. You can add the skills required to pick up the calls originating from this location. You can set different skills like American accent, sales, developer, etc. One more interesting feature is that you can set skills as mandatory or preferred. If a skill is mandatory for a location, agents without this skill will not receive calls from this location. If no qualified agents are online, the end user will land on the appointment scheduling page directly. If it is not mandatory, that is if a skill is preferred, Video Service Desk will route the call to online agents with that particular skill first. However, in this case, if no qualified agents are online, agents without this skill can still receive the call. You can also add the address if needed. After adding all the details, click Save. That's how you add a new client and create client locations as an admin. Thanks for watching.